Imagine a city where the old meets the new, where the East blends seamlessly with the West. Welcome to Hanoi, a city that dances to the rhythm of progress while still holding on to its rich cultural heritage. It's a city where the echoes of 1,000 years resonate in the bustling streets, lively markets, and historic landmarks. From the moment you step onto its vibrant streets, you're thrust into a world that marries the traditional and the contemporary, the local and the global. Hanoi, the heart of Vietnam, is a cultural hub that's always pulsating, always evolving, yet never losing sight of its roots. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a living canvas, bathed in neon lights, the air filled with the tantalizing aroma of street food, the sounds of life echoing through the night. So, ready to embark on a journey through Hanoi? Buckle up. It's going to be an exciting ride. No trip to Hanoi is complete without a visit to its iconic landmarks. In the heart of Hanoi, you'll find the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, an imposing structure that houses the embalmed body of the revered Vietnamese leader, Ho Chi Minh. This landmark is a testament to the nation's past, a symbol of Vietnamese struggle for independence, and a tribute to the man affectionately known as Uncle Ho. It's best to visit early in the morning as the mausoleum opens at 7:30 and closes at 10:30. Plus, you'll be able to avoid the midday heat and the throngs of visitors. Just a stone's throw away from the mausoleum is the one-pillar pagoda, an architectural gem that's been standing for over a millennium. Designed to resemble a lotus blossom, a Buddhist symbol of purity, the pagoda is perched on a single stone pillar and is a sight to behold. The serene setting is particularly beautiful at sunrise when the first light of the day kisses the pagoda. A short distance away lies the Temple of Literature, a haven of tranquility amidst the bustling city. Established in the 11th century, it served as Vietnam's first university and is dedicated to Confucius. The Temple of Literature is a complex of historical buildings where you can stroll through 5 courtyards filled with ancient trees, well-preserved architecture, and a serene pond known as the Well of Heavenly Clarity. To fully appreciate the peaceful atmosphere, it's recommended to visit in the late afternoon when the crowds have thinned. Visiting these iconic landmarks will not only enrich your understanding of Hanoi's history and culture, but also provide unique photo opportunities. Remember to dress modestly when visiting these places of historical and religious significance. And don't rush. Take your time to soak in the atmosphere, the architecture, and the tales they tell. These landmarks are not just sights to see, they are tales of a city waiting to be told. A journey to Hanoi is as much a feast for the palate as it is for the eyes. In this vibrant city, tantalizing aromas waft through the air, leading you to bustling food stalls and cozy eateries, where you can indulge in the rich flavors of authentic Vietnamese cuisine. Imagine yourself in one of Hanoi's lively markets, where seasoned chefs and home cooks alike gather to share their culinary creations. The air is filled with the comforting scent of simmering broth, an unmistakable signal that a bowl of pho is nearby. This beloved dish, with its tender slices of beef, delicate rice noodles, and aromatic herbs, is a warm and hearty invitation to explore the depth and complexity of Vietnamese flavors. As you wander further, you may stumble upon a vendor serving bun cha, a Hanoi specialty. Picture succulent grilled pork, served with a tangy, flavorful dipping sauce, paired with a mound of fresh, crisp herbs and vermicelli noodles. This dish, with its harmonious blend of textures and flavors, is a testament to the art of balance in Vietnamese cuisine. But the culinary journey doesn't end with savory dishes. Hanoi is also home to an intriguing coffee culture. Whether it's served hot or iced, Hanoi-style coffee is an experience in itself. Imagine the bold, robust flavor of locally sourced coffee beans tempered by the sweet, creamy richness of condensed milk. This caffeinated delight is a perfect pick-me-up at any time of day, offering a moment of relaxation amidst the city's hustle and bustle. And let's not forget the street food stalls, where you can sample a myriad of delicacies, from crispy spring rolls to sweet and creamy egg coffee. Each stall offers its own unique take on traditional recipes, providing endless opportunities to savor the city's culinary landscape. In Hanoi, every meal is a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. So, are you ready to embark on this gastronomic journey? Because in this city, the flavors are as rich and diverse as the culture itself. Hanoi is a city of hidden gems just waiting to be discovered. Step beyond the typical tourist trail and you'll find a world rich with cultural nuances and authentic experiences. Let's start with the Hanoi Opera House, a slice of Paris in the heart of Vietnam. With its opulent chandeliers and grand staircases, the Opera House is not just a venue for performances, but a testament to Hanoi's French colonial past. Whether you're an opera aficionado or a history buff, this grand dame of architecture serves as a fascinating window into a bygone era. But if the past is a foreign country, the present is a bustling city, alive with sights, sounds, and smells. And nowhere is this more evident than in the Old Quarter. This labyrinth of narrow streets and alleys is a microcosm of Hanoi's life, where traditional craft shops coexist with hipster cafes and street food vendors serve up steaming bowls of pho next to trendy boutiques. Here, every turn offers a new discovery, a new story, a new taste. And speaking of tastes, why not try your hand at a cooking class? It's one of the unique activities that offer a deeper insight into the local culture. Learn the secrets behind the flavors of Vietnam and take home more than just memories. You'll be the life of your next dinner party when you whip up a storm of authentic Vietnamese dishes. Or perhaps you're more of the outdoorsy type. In that case, a cycle trip around West Lake could be just the ticket. This tranquil body of water offers a respite from the city's hustle and bustle, and the surrounding parks and temples make for a serene escape. And while you're at it, why not take a traditional puppet show at the Thang Long Water Puppet Theater? This unique form of entertainment, with roots dating back to the 11th century, is a delightful way to immerse yourself in Vietnamese folklore and tradition. Remember, the best of Hanoi lies not just in its landmarks, but also in its hidden corners. So venture off the beaten path and let Hanoi reveal its true colors to you. After a long day of exploration, finding a comfortable place to rest is crucial. Hanoi, with its diverse accommodation options, caters to every kind of traveler. If you're one who enjoys the hustle and bustle of the city, the boutique hotels in the city center might just be your cup of tea. They offer convenience and a direct plunge into Hanoi's vibrant life. On the other hand, if tranquility is what you seek, consider staying by the West Lake. Here, peaceful retreats provide a serene escape from the city's energetic pulse. You can wake up to the gentle lapping of lake waters, a soothing contrast to the city's lively rhythm. From the chic and modern to the charmingly traditional, Hanoi's accommodations combine comfort with a sense of place. They are more than just resting spots. They're gateways to experiencing the city's character and charm. Whether you prefer luxury or simplicity, Hanoi has a place for you. To truly enjoy Hanoi, a little preparation goes a long way. As you explore the city, it's crucial to remember that navigating the bustling streets can be a bit of a challenge, especially during peak hours. So consider using public transport or even renting a bicycle for a more eco-friendly option. Respecting local customs is another essential aspect of your journey. Always remember to dress modestly when visiting religious sites and try to learn a few basic Vietnamese phrases to connect with locals. Safety is paramount as well. Keep your belongings secure and be wary of pickpockets in crowded areas. It's also wise to have a copy of your important documents and keep emergency contact numbers at hand. And of course, always stay hydrated and apply sunscreen during your sightseeing trips. This tropical city can get quite hot, especially during the summer months. With these tips in mind, you're all set to make the most of your Hanoi adventure. As we draw our Hanoi journey to a close, it's time to reflect on the memories you've made in this vibrant city. Whether you've been captivated by the iconic landmarks, savored the rich flavors of Vietnamese cuisine, or ventured beyond the beaten path, Hanoi has a way of leaving a lasting impression. Remember, every journey is unique, and yours doesn't have to end here. There's always more to explore, more to experience, and more to learn. So, keep that spirit of adventure alive. If you've enjoyed this guide and found it helpful for your travels, don't forget to give us a like and hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us create more content to help you and fellow travelers navigate the world safely and confidently. Follow us at Safe Travels 911 for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, safe travels, and here's to your next adventure.